Welcome to the new episode of our American journey. After crossing Nevada with I-80, we reached Bonneville. So we are going all the way to the Salt Flats and we will be testing the top speed from our Forester. Although I know it since in Europe on German highway I did 190 kilometers per hour, I don't know how is it gonna handle all of the heavy load that we are carrying. Meaning the rooftop tent, all of the boxes, all of our gear, and 3 people. This is gonna be a great challenge for the Forester. Right. So the destination is here, Bonneville Salt Flats, and now we're gonna test the speed of the Forester. Andrzej will be my co-pilot. He will be recording the speedometer. Paulinka will drive on the roof, holding a rope, and we will see how fast she can fly. A może byśmy zrobili takie ze spadochronem? Z kołderki. And now we will check the top speed of the Forester, fully loaded, fully tanked, 3 people, heavy weight. Let's do it. Wystarczy o szybkość, zmień bieg na wyższy. Let's go! Warning lights. Możesz mi ile pokazać też? Koniec. So our turbo is stuck. Turbo się zawiesiło. Turbo się zawiesiło. No to jeszcze raz. To chyba nie turbo się zawiesiło. Chyba więcej nie pojedzie. 80 mil, no.
120.
130. Ale spróbujemy jeszcze raz, bo wydaje mi się, że turbo się nam zawiesiło, a to może być też ogólnie temat taki, że paliwo jest. Mamy potężne opory powietrza. 140.
Ty chcesz coś powiedzieć?
Się ustawić? A, okej.
Chcesz coś powiedzieć?
So we are... The aerodynamics of this car are very bad. This is why... This is why we reach only 140 kilometers per hour. And with the lighter rooftop tent and without this load, I actually did 190 on the German highway. Anyways, it's cool. Bardzo dobrze się nam śpi, jest tam komfortowo, jest ciepło i myślimy cały czas o Tobie. Pozdrawiamy. So a beautiful morning here in Bonneville Salt Lake.
A few moments later.
Jeszcze raz. So a beautiful morning in Bonneville Flat Salts. Jeszcze raz.
A few moments later.
So we had a beautiful sunrise at Bonneville Salt Flats. It's really intimidating here. It looks like it would be winter. Well, actually it is -degrees Celsius. At the moment it's -1. So not even that it feels like winter, it is winter. And I'm really happy about it because I like cold. And we are testing around the Fozzy, you know, still we are trying to break that 90-mile record. And here is Andrew. Here he is. Having some fun. Having some fun with it and trying it out. I mean, this is a lovely place. For some people it might be just salty thing, you know, but for me it's really cool because as an automotive freak, I really love everything that is connected to, you know, the things that are connected to automotive stuff, to racing, to drag racing, like it is here. Oops, how fast he will go. Yeah, and it is cool to be here, but now it is time to go to Salt Lake City. I can't just get enough of driving back and forth with the Fozzy on the salt flats on another side of the planet, about 10,000 kilometers all away from home, on the other side of an Atlantic Ocean, in the place where the fastest vehicles on the planet are being tested. It's just a big dream come true. For all of the fun, we are heading to Salt Lake City, from where we will head all the way to Moab, and that's gonna be in the next episode. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe us, leave a like, leave a comment, because this helps us to build this channel. Thanks.
Wycięli równiutko, popatrzcie się.
Nie jest możliwe, że tak będzie tak naturalnie.
No ale tu jest natura już. Tu. Alright, so we passed Salt Lake City. We drove through Salt Lake City because it was just close to the main road. And for us it was very nice, but it's just a city, so we didn't spend too much time there. And right now we are getting closer and closer to Moab, and as you see all the rock formations, I mean, look at this is so cool there. Wait a minute, there, like you see that little the rock that is standing there. So this kind of a terrain starts to fold out. And another very cool thing which I love about Utah already, it's like we were very happy in Nevada that the fuel was much cheaper, but in Utah the 85, which we don't use actually, costs $3. We are using Premium 91, and here, because that's kind of like a main road, we will pay 3.49 cents, so that would be $3.49, so that's $1 cheaper than the cheapest fuel that we got in California. And that's in the most expensive places in California we paid $7 $7, so that's 50% cheaper than in some places in California. $3.49, and today we actually in Salt Lake City we actually had for $2.98 we put it the premium, so very happy. Dziękuję, Paulinka. So I'm very happy about the prices here. Also the food was cheaper. When we went to Walmart we actually paid much less for food than in Nevada and in California, so starts to be, you know, I'm not like that cheap guy who counts every single buck, but whenever, like, you know, it's like $7 per 1 gallon of gas is like totally crazy out of space price, and I think no one likes that. So we are very happy that we get these prices. We are very happy that the food is cheaper. So tonight we will stay at a motel, Apache Motel in Moab, because tomorrow I have to do some work remotely. Andrzej is editing the photos. Look at that. Sorry Andrzeju, zniszczyłem całą twoją pracę. Okay. So Andrzej is editing the photos, and tonight we have crawfish for a dinner, because the crawfish at the shop in Utah was 50% cheaper than any shop in California, so why not?